Jeep fenders, vaya con Dios.
What is up, guys, and welcome back. Check it out. Today we're going to be putting fenders on the Jeep. Most of the time you see the tubular fenders or just the metal like flat doghouse fenders. I'm going with something a little bit different. Not to knock that. If you're in it for the reasons, if you're rock crawling and stuff, you might need that. I'm not a rock crawler. Am I going to get in the field, mess up a field? All the time. Not rock crawling. This kit's a 4-piece. Each fender comes with everything you need to install it. Super high quality grade urethane. And let me show you a picture of it installed right here. This kit is made by KBD. They normally make body kits. They have for years. But now they're like, yo, let's get into the Jeep game. So what's that give you? Gives you a little bit more style. And you get the protection and strength of urethane, which if you're familiar with the body kit, you might have pulled into a driveway or something or smashed up your front. That urethane can take a beating. You see these videos where these guys can tie a front lip into a knot, untie it, and it's unfazed. So there you go. KBD. Now check it out, they make these to order, so it does take a pretty good long time. I think it was like 8 or 9 weeks after I ordered it till I got it. But I called them and I'm like, yo, where's that? And they said it's made to order. So once it comes, the product is so nice that I think it's worth it. Real nice. Everything is like molded and tucked up. There's no sharp edges. It's just so nice. It feels so good. And you can move it around without damaging it. My plan was to put these on, make sure they fit for one. Stage 2, go in, hit them with some Herculiner, take them back off. Yeah, bed line these bad boys. Let's start with the front. Okay, come on up under here. We got 6 bolts. They're 10 millimeter right here. 1, 2, 3. 4th one up in the hole. 5 back here, and then 6 on this little flange right there. So I'm gonna rip them off and we're gonna pop this thing and send it. Last thing I want to do, reach up here, undo the little socket with the light in it right here, and I can pull out that cord. So that cord is free. You ready for this part? This is the fun part. Grab this thing and you're just gonna rip. You're gonna rip and tear. Ripping and tearing, just ripping and tearing. Nice little key up, won't hurt. All right. There's your problem. Looking a little different already. Room to breathe. I do have inner fender wells I'm going to put in here. Some aluminum will cover this all up. For this video, it's just going to be the fenders, and then you can check back if you want to see the other stuff. Right now it's got 8 bolts. You can go ahead and keep this on. If you want to paint it, you can. You don't have to. They made clearance for that right here. Put the 8 bolts on, zip them up. Once you get a couple started, it's a lot easier. You can kind of push it up where you want it as you bolt it in. Get it nice and flush to that contour. All right, the front is done. Let me show you the difference before I throw this other one on real quick. Before. After. Oh, hell no! Take note, that running light that came out of the fender, the inner fenders I'm going to put on, they have built-in lights, so I'm going to reuse this. So watch for that next video. Never gets old. Holy cow, look at that. It's really showing off the lift now. By the way, I did the lift and all that on this channel. If you're interested, I did a step-by-step video of everything I used, then a video of how to do it, then a video of the tires being put on. Look at that. Jesus. Time for the rear. You got these little trees up here in the fender well that you got to take out. You can use a screwdriver or one of these actual removal tools. It's easier just to break them. I got tired fooling with it, so I just got mad and I pulled it. It just popped right off. Sorry you missed the beginning. I'll let you finish it off here. Whenever you force them off, you're gonna have the clips kind of break like that. No big deal. If anybody wanted to put them back on their car, they'll need new clips anyway. I'll remove those. You gotta see what's coming. You gotta see this cammed, exhausted Corvette. Listen to this thing. You're welcome. That was nasty. That was nasty. Ooh! Rear fender, 2 of these, and a bunch of these. Let me just show you on this fender what I mean. I mean these things, even if you got the tools, it's so frustrating to get these little trees out. Rip it off. Don't even worry about it. I haven't touched one of them. Watch this. Last freaking one. Walk through. Take a look at the fit, way that hugs that body line, and then again in the back, look at the way it just hugs that body line. Perfect. It's just absolutely perfect fit. Woo-wee! That's a big difference. A couple questions you might ask yourself. One, did the holes line up? Man, perfect. About 40 holes drilled in this thing. Holes lined up perfect. There was only about 2 that I had to kind of wiggle around, but being urethane, moves around real easy, not a problem at all. Install time, we kind of messed around with it a little bit. What would you say?
Probably about 2 hours.
2 hours? Yeah, I'd say so. Don't forget, there's all kinds of other Jeep mod videos on my channel. Everything you see on there pretty much is on that channel. Winch, bumpers, tires, lift kit, LED bars, all that stuff, everything. Remember to check back, because I'm about ready to do those inner fender walls as well. All right, that is all I have for today. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. The rock light kit is here. We're gonna do that as well. Keep tuned to this channel. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.